Hi everyone, it's Akari. Let's take a look at Ardha Uttanasana, half lift posture or half forward fold that we know. This posture is a part of the sequence of Vinyasa that leads to Chaturanga Dandasana and the upward facing dog. And this Ardha Uttanasana is also a part of the Surya Namaskara series. We usually hold this posture just for one inhalation. It helps to elongate the entire spine. We will have a maximum length of the spine through this half lift posture that prepares us towards Chaturanga and any other variations of the standing forward fold. So let's take a look. Stand at the top of the yoga mat, or you can just stand wherever you are at. Open the feet about hip distance apart for more stability towards the hips and hamstrings. If you're more on the flexible side, big toes together and heels slightly apart. Raise your arms up as you inhale. Exhale, open the arms, dive down, bend from the hips. You're welcome to bend the knees to keep your lumbar spine straight. Come into the Uttanasana, standing forward fold. Checking your lumbar spine here. If your lower spine is somehow higher than your tailbone or rounding, then you definitely better bend the knees to protect your lumbar in the healthy, natural curve. So let's come to the half lift from the standing forward fold. Breathe in to come to the top of the fingertips or hands on the shins. And you're still welcome to keep the knees bent here. Hug the thighs in. Careful not to push the hands towards the shins too much to prevent the hyperextension of the knees. Keep the head in the neutral position. Back of the head is aligned with the spine. Sometimes there is a tendency to look forward too much. This will curve your lumbar spine in an unnecessary way. So keep it in the neutral position. And extend from the roots of the spine out through the crown of the head and expand your breath. Yeah. And there's no need to come too high up like this. It's better that this movement is less. Yeah. So you might start off by having your hands on the shins. As your range of motions in the hamstrings expands, then your hands will go down towards the floor. And you will come to the top of the fingertips. Some friends who are very flexible, you can keep the entire palms on the ground and come to Ardha Uttanasana in this way to lift through your torso, turn the navel, open through the chest area, and elongate the spine. Yeah. And exhale, forward in. Twice more, breathe in. Fingertips on the floor or hands on the shin, turn the belly, elongate the spine. Exhale, forward in deeper. One more time, inhale, lengthen the spine even longer than the last time. Exhale, turn the belly and forward in. Let's rise all the way up. Inhale, rise through the legs, spine, arms, fingertips all the way up. Exhale, hands to the heart center. Thank you for watching. Blessings to your practice.